Hello everyone, as you all guys know that Google Facilitator 2025 program is started from 4th of August 2025 from 5 p.m. As you guys know, many people are registering on this, so registration will be ended soon by 14th of August. They already told in their sections. If you guys complete the task given by the Google in this program, you will get these types of goodie. Here you can check the point system that if you complete which types of labs, then how many points you will get, which type of milestone you will get got completed. Today I will tell you how to enroll in this program. You have to click on enroll in the program here section. After that, you have to click on the enroll in the program here option. After this, you will got to see a Google form like this. I have already filled it, but I will tell you guys how to fill it. You have to click on yes, I accept the terms. Next, you have to guys to fill the details. If you don't have any referral code, don't worry. They will add you in some team. Or if you want the referral code, tell me. I will give you in the comment section. Here you have to click on yes. As I, if you have a Google Cloud skill profile, then you have to click on yes. If you don't have, you have to create one. And yes, I have already, and I have a lot of badges. So I have few badges. So I am clicking on this option. After that, I will click on next option. After this, you have to paste your profile, Google Cloud profile. For the people who don't have one, they also have to create it, and people who have it, they also have to click this. So for this, you have to go on the Google Cloud Boost profile, and after clicking on this My Account option, by clicking on Settings button, here you and scroll down. Here you will get your public profile link. This you have to paste in this. I have already done that, so I am not doing it again. And for those guys who don't have any public profile or they have a disabled option in this, you have to click on this option and and after that you have to click on update setting. Then you will get this profile public profile link and you have to paste it out there. After this, you will get a response form which you have filled on the mail by from Google. After this, you will get the confirmation mail in which they will tell you how to claim that 600 points. Okay, so I will show you that also, that I have got after 24 hours of filling this form. So here it is. Hi Vinayak, thank you for enrolling in this and all of that stuff. Here you have to go down, go down, go down and click on enter your code here option. Okay, after that you have to copy the code which has a access code and control C, and make sure you before filling this code you should sign out from your this skill boost profile. Okay, now fill it, refresh it first, now fill it, then you will get 9 credit after completing the first lab. Then you will get more labs. Okay, stairs, like stairs, this and this. Okay, click on verify option, click on submit option. After that you will get 9 credits. Okay, now you have to continue your, now you have to sign in. Okay, I think there is some problem. Okay, so you have to again do it. Okay, now you have to click on this. Now you have to continue as or you have to sign in this. Here it is showing again and again. In next video, I will tell you how to start the labs. Okay, thank you.